Listen, if this food make us sick, it's because the lady who
flag flying high. 5 pesos. I found chicken food.
The amulet called to you, Master Jim.
So we are here at our favorite little taco spot. It's just a drive-up place. It's really nice. It's across the street from a really expensive sushi place, I think, called Shitori. Melody always laugh at that name. But we're here. I just picked up Melody from school, and we're gonna eat some food, and then we're gonna head to the Mercado down in Central. There's the place, Shitori. Shitori Mel. She always laugh at that name. It's just a little drive-up spot, but they have the best tacos. That's good, that's great. Amen.
Listen, if this food make us sick, it's because the lady who cook it is a different lady today. Those look a little pink, don't you think? Like blood on it?
Porsche dealership.
Traffic be like. But you guys, this is the monument by Paseo Mateo.
Oh, look, that double tier thing.
The Mexico flag flying high. So we had one quick stop to make before we head to the market. Melody had to see one of her clients at one of our favorite vegan smoothie shop. And we saw Wendy here, and Melody actually made her a waist bead, so she was there to drop it off. Eres maravillosa. Say it again. Say it.
Eres maravillosa.
Maravillosa. Eres maravillosa. You are marvelous. Take it out and let's see the camera.
Listo.
Oh, listo. Oh, es bonita.
Melody. Me encanta. Muchas gracias. Gracias. Es ¿qué? ¿Cómo se llama?
Waistbead. No, para aquí.
Muchas gracias. Gracias, me encantó. Gracias.
Good thing we come this way. Look at this. Of all the spots in the parking garage, guess who came around and got the first spot? I just want to show, because I tell people that we manifest things. How we right, Mel? How we manifest things is what we bring into our reality. Look at this. That's the entrance. This is our spot. And if you see, I'm going to show you how busy the market actually is. And look where we parked. It's such a blessing. These are the little blessings that you have to acknowledge. So we're here at the market, Mercado Benitez? Mercado Benitez, I think. First order of business, Melody and I have to go to the bathroom. Oh, we're close to where we need to be because this is where I bought the spices last time. This place. See. This place. Hola, buenos dias. I have enough. Derecho, he said. He's so cute. Is it awkward doing it in public? We'll walk like around to different places. Ooh, pretty. Where? Oh, this is where I bought the water bottles, I think.
I get distracted very easily.
Look at this girl. Come on, girl.
What? It's shiny.
Look it over here. We'll try to. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure if we're going to yet, at least. But I think this way is the wrong way, Melody. This way is going back out to the regular place. This is not the right place. Alright, let's go back this way because this isn't the right way. We have to go back that way. It is very weird to walk and come this way and film. Alright, and there's an inside portion of this market. Oh, this is cute. You like them? Hola. You like this?
I already have shoes.
You don't like it?
I do, I don't know.
What's that? ¿Cuánto es? 350. That's 350.
What?
You like it?
Quinta is just 300.
300? You want to try it? Want toys. I'm like, let's get those sneakers for her. Those felines were so cute. So cute. Here, Melody. We got sneakers at home, mommy. But I bet if it was a toy, she would say, come on, let's go. Look at this.
We see that going on all the time.
Pastor. I believe that's Pastor. Mel, these are candies, you know? Look at this, these are candies. The marshmallows? You want some? Hola! 5 pesos. You say gracias? Gracias. Come on, and I'm gonna get coconut in the house.
Snack for later.
Hola. Hold it. Wow. We're not getting beef today though. We're getting... I found chicken foot. I'm definitely have to get some chicken foot. 2 kilos. I'm gonna do some curry chicken foot tonight. Watch where you're stepping and don't kick over them again, okay? Oh, look, they have these over here. Oh, it's a different, 2 different ones. And they have sunflowers. I think I should get sunflowers too.
Okay.
You get...
Why is this one so cheap?
How much? Tell us how much you paid for it.
70 pesos.
70 pesos. Alright, hold it good. Hold it down at the bottom, okay? Let's... going on here?
Hoy me di cuenta de la magia que hay en mí, con los pies sobre la tierra. Mi historia reescribí hasta entender que todo lo
So we got these at the Mercado, the market. And look what I got at the market for 180 pesos. And then we saw the lady selling it for 160 pesos.
And I got all three of these.
quiero transformar esta
Melody eating coconut.
ya no tengo
All three of these for
100 pesos, yeah. But I was saying, my mom brought Melody one of these Yeti brand cups, and she paid $16.99 from Ross for one of them.
60 or 16?
16, 1 6. So $17. And it's authentic. See, it has like.
Oh, and I also got one of these Yeti stickers if you want, Mommy.
I think I threw it away. The other one that came with your thing,
Oh, yeah.
I threw it away.
If you want, why didn't you get the green one? If you
I
want,
kind of like this color. This baby blue is pretty.
if you want, you could put the Yeti sticker on it.
No, I don't want no sticker on it.
Oh, what juice is this?
Huh?
What juice is this?
Horacha. I'm here waiting for you. Melody. 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 Don't do it again. Do not put your tongue in that juice, Melody. That is so disgusting. Are you a dog? Are you a puss?
Yep.
What goes for dinner?
Huh?
What's for dinner?
Chicken feet. Ah, chicken tail is my favorite.
You like it? Some cucumbers, right? You wash your hands
Yes.
with soap?
Yes.
Let me get the first bite. We have to bring that thing to the table. I want you to taste it and let me know how it goes.
I don't want to die. Goodness gracious, who does? Maybe you should take this back. The amulet called to you, Master Jim. It chose you. It is yours.